Those of you that are listening in your car, at your job, you at home, I don't care where you at. Turn this up right now, cause we're about to go in. Hey, so everybody say, say baby when I see you, yeah, yeah, yeah. See you. Listen.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, as you already see, is going to be a hair install from Jessie's Wig. This is not the first time I'm working with Jessie's Wig on my channel. I think it's the second time. I really love their wigs. I'm only doing commentary because in my last hair video, which was also with Jessie's Wig, I got a few comments stating that I should do commentary because it would have been helpful for you guys of some sort. That's the reason why I'm doing it, you guys. So if you ask for it, I will give it to you. But yeah, I have the Jessie's Wig Glueless 13x4 undetectable lace front wig, and it's a body wave wig, you guys, and I have it in the length 26. I'm going to leave all the link in the description box below so you guys could, directly purchase the wig if you're interested. I already showed you guys what came in the box and how the wig initially came, the texture of the wig when I pulled it out of the box. Oof, beautiful, oh my god. But yeah, the lace on this wig is undetectable, and nowadays, honestly, I want a easy wig. I always opt for the easy wig, so that's the reason why most of my wigs are glueless nowadays. Like, I like wigs that give me that freedom to install them without having to use any adhesive and all that kind of stuff. So I've been trying out like a lot of wigs that claim to be glueless, and so far I've found really good ones. Honestly, I didn't really do much with this install. I didn't even do anything, if I'm being honest. The wig came pre-bleached, pre-blocked. I could go ahead and pluck the lace a little bit more, but I just left it alone because with time anyway, the lace was shed. So I just don't like to do too much in my lace these days. I just leave it alone. As long as it's pre-plucked, I just leave it alone. And also with the coils, I didn't want the coils to be tight. I actually wanted like that rough, I don't know how to explain it, but I just wanted that rough, loose waves, like the waves that are not even. I don't know how to explain it, but I wanted a really messy hair, and I don't really think I nailed it to be honest. But I mean, it's what I was going for the hair to be messy, but I just feel like I should have cut more layers with the wig. But I really like it at the end of the day. But if I'm going to install it again, I'll just cut more layers and make it a little bit more messy, because what I was going for was a really, really messy like wave, if that makes sense. But anyway, like, that's what I was going for. That's the reason why the waves are all over the place, because I really wanted that really messy look. But to achieve it, you need to cut like more layers in the wig, and that's what I didn't do. I would have just cut more layers, like some really, really short, and then jagged, in a jagged way, sort of. There's really not a lot that I did with this install, as you guys can already see, so I'm going to leave everything in the description box below, links and all that to the wig. Really affordable, and thank you again, Jessie's Wig, for working with me, putting money in your girl's pocket. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Follow me on Instagram if you're not following me. Everything is linked in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love. up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back. Wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay, I'ma let you live, no shame, no shame, no game. I wanna fall in love, vulnerable in love. Do you want classy? Do you want nasty, babe? I'll give you options. I'll be your perfect day. I'm yours till the night fades. Whoa, don't let it fade. No shame, and no game. I wanna fall vulnerable. Giggling softly. Could you be laughing at me, or we just giddy? Butterflies flapping in me. Don't stop what you're doing. Yeah, what you doing to me? Those of you that are listening in your car, at your job, you at home, I don't care where you at. Turn this up right now, cause we're about